and then the three of you can do one sheet each on this. But the idea is, because you all will be putting a sheet on top, look whatever is the cleanest edge, and then match your edges so that they connect. And then, because this is already epoxied, it will automatically stick to the layer at the bottom, and that makes this a lot easier. Take your gloves off until like the piece is in the bag.
Oh, I just...
Kind of, yeah. You see how they're starting to stick together? That's the epoxy. So we're literally just... That's fine, that's fine.
What's that name? The air?
Air.
The air?
Oh, it seems fine.
Yeah, it'll be fine.
Oh, wow.
So once you put this down and you feel like there's anything pressing out, you can go in with a scribe and gently poke it back in.
Oh. Peel ply.
Yeah. It's a very weird
Peel
name.
what?
Peel ply.
Peel?
You're essentially tucking it in like a baby. So now the last bit is okay. Now take that one off. So you want to stick it in the yellow to the yellow in the middle, like this end, so that no epoxy gets on like your vacuum. And wrapping this every time. So you stretch it out and put it down, and that I didn't think of. Yeah, we can try. So basically even more than it already is. So, but so this was closed. Yeah. So this is closed and this is open. So you cut off. That means this thing is sealed.